All right, Ashley and Sharif, I hope this helps. So I sent you an email on how to download and install the Camtasia program. So once you've done that, you're going to open up Camtasia. And so I have Camtasia 2 right here, and I opened it up, and this is the program. And you can actually set up your preferences up here at the top. And so if you're selected on recording, you can change where it's going to record. So if you want to put it on a hard drive or somewhere on your computer, I just have a folder called temporary recordings for myself, and that's going to show where this stuff is going to record. Anyways, so once you've done that, there's a little button up here that has an icon, which is a little film strip, and it's red right now because it's recording, so it's going to be a little bit more challenging to show you, but it shouldn't be too difficult. So what you're going to do is press start recording, not stop recording, because then you will no longer be able to see what I'm doing, and you will get let me see, not this window, but you're going to get a window that looks like this. This is going to appear on your screen. So hopefully this is seeable. It's a little bit bigger, and it has a couple of options. This window is going to have this full screen option, which actually, let me open this next one up. If you click on I'm going to open this one up as well. So here's the window I was just showing you with the full screen, the camera off, and the audio selection and a record button, which will start recording. But if you click on this full screen, you can go down here. It's going to show what your options are for what size of a screen. Right now it's full screen, so it's going to be the entire window, your entire computer screen, and mine's LED cinema display because that's my monitor. But yours will, I think, will probably just say full screen. And if you choose anything else like these YouTube, it would be easier in the end, but I wouldn't worry about it because I think that's just going to be too difficult. So anyways, you're going to select full screen. You're going to want your camera off, otherwise they're going to be able to see your face as they're watching, and then you're going to choose one of these audio choices, and there's a couple of different options. Either you can choose this, let me check here, built-in input. Okay, here's another example. So if you click on this little button that says built-in input, you're going to choose, you can either choose built-in input or built-in microphone. I think if you do the built-in microphone, it'll just be what the computer does, and it's not as good as audio. But Sharif, if you have your own audio, you're going to plug that in, and then you're going to do built-in input, and it should come in nice and clean for you. So those are your selections, and then you're actually going to press record, and it's going to give you a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and it's going to start recording your full screen. And then you're going to go to, let's say, your PowerPoint or whatever you're going to use, and then you just enter into full screen, or however this needs to work. I have a different monitor, so this doesn't, I have two monitors, so this isn't working out too well. But then you can just start your presentation, and don't worry if you need to edit it a little bit, we can do that afterwards. So once you're done with the webinar, you're going to go up to this little thing and you're going to press stop recording. And when that happens, a window is going to appear. It's a Camtasia editing window. So this whole program is going to boost back up, and actually there's going to be an entire sequence, an entire little video clip with audio attached to it down here of what you just recorded, which is great. And as you can see, this window that you're seeing up here is actually my entire computer screen, and that's something that I recorded earlier. So you can adjust where you start and where you end, and then there's a couple more instructions that I'll show you in just a little bit.